What is there in a name? It is merely an empty basket until you put something into it. The first step in the path of discovery and the first approximate measure are those which add most to the existing knowledge of mankind. For one person who is blessed with the power of invention, many will always be found who have the capacity of applying principles. Another mode of accumulating power arises from a lifting a weight then allowing it to fall. You will be able to appreciate the influence of such an engine on the future progress of science. I live in a country which is incapable of estimating it. As soon as an analytical engine exists, it will necessarily guide the future course of science. The economy of human times is the next advantage of machinery in manufactures. Whenever the work is itself light, it becomes necessary, in order to economize time, to increase the velocity. The errors which arise from the absence of facts are far more numerous and more durable than those which result from unsound reasoning respecting true data. It will be readily admitted that a degree conferred by an university ought to be a pledge to the public that he who holds it possesses a certain quantity of knowledge. I find no flaw in your reasoning about the analytical engine. I admire it, but you are aware that I rest entirely on the hypothesis that I care for the whole human race. The public character of every public servant is a legitimate subject of discussion, and his fitness or unfitness for office may be fairly canvassed by any person. There are few circumstances which so strongly distinguish the philosopher as the calmness with which he can reply to criticisms he may think undeservedly severe.